How to apply for Hayya Card, or Fan ID. Have you purchased tickets for the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 yet? After buying tickets, the application for a Hayya Card, or Fan ID will be essential as it is a mandatory requirement to attend matches for local and international match attendees. The Hayya Card will also act as an entry permit to Qatar for international visitors regardless of purpose, and will be the only means to enter within the duration of November 1, 2022, till January 1, 2023. The regulation is applicable to GCC nationals and residents. The Hayya Card will also provide a number of benefits, including free public transport for ticket holders on match days. This video is all about how to apply for a Hayya Card online. Without any ado, let's start the video. Open any web browser and search for Hayya Card Apply online, or directly click the link given in the description. Then click on the first link for the Hayya portal. Scroll down and click on Apply for Hayya. Once the user clicks on Apply, the sign-in with the Hayya window will open. If you have an account, directly log into the account by entering the user credentials. If you don't have an account, click here to sign up. Once the user clicks on Sign Up, the account creation page will open. Enter the email ID of the applicant. Then enter the first name of the applicant. And then enter the last name of the applicant. Make sure your name should be the same as per the passport. Then enter the password. Passwords should contain at least 8 characters and maximum 15 characters. And then confirm password. Then enter the verification text. Then select the checkbox. Once the user enters complete information, click on Sign Up to continue. One-time password will be sent to your email address for the verification. Please enter the OTP. Then click on Next to continue. Once everything goes correctly, you will see a screen showing that your account is created. Once the account created, it will redirect users again to the Hayya portal. Once again, click on Apply for Hayya. Once users click on Apply, the application form will open. Select application category from the drop-down list. Depending on your ticket type, fill in the information as shown in the screen grab above. If you have purchased a match hospitality package from FIFA, you would enter the unique order number pertaining to that. Here I will select a match ticket holder, because I have already purchased the match ticket. Then enter the match ticket application number to validate your ticket. Then click on Validate my ticket if your ticket is valid. You will see the message that the ticket application number is valid. Scroll down and select the checkbox. I have reviewed and instructions to upload my personal photo and passport. Then upload your latest photo by clicking on Browse Personal Photo. Scroll down. There are 2 types of application: Qatar resident and GCC, or international. If you have the QID, then select Qatar resident. And then enter your QID number. Then enter your date of birth and continue for the submission. But here I want to apply for an international fan, so let me select the second option. Upload the applicant's scanned first page of the passport copy. Here enter the passport number of the applicant. Then select the date of birth for the applicant by clicking on calendar symbol. Then select the expiry date of passport. And then select the gender. Then select your nationality from drop-down list. Then select the passport issuing country from the drop-down list. Scroll down. Then select passport type from the drop-down list. Enter your first name, middle name, third name, last name. Then scroll down. You will need to enter your contact details. Enter your mobile number. Then enter the emergency contact name and number in case of emergency. Scroll down. Please confirm if you would like to receive an additional physical Hayya card. If no, select the checkbox as no thanks, I use my digital Hayya card. If yes, select the checkbox as yes, I would like to get a physical Hayya card. If you would like to receive a physical card at your address, please enter the following information below. Enter your house number. Then enter your street name. Then enter the town or city. Then enter the municipality. Then enter the zone number. Then select your country from drop-down list. Then enter the zip code or area code. Once everything is completed, click on Review and Submit. Once the user clicks on Submit, the application summary will open. Scroll down and cross-check all the given information. Then select the first checkbox as I have read and accepted the Hayya terms and conditions, the privacy and cookie policies. Then select the second checkbox as I hereby confirm that all documents and information used in the Hayya Card application are true to the best of my knowledge. I acknowledge that my request might be rejected or detained in the case that I submit incorrect information or forged documents. Then select the third checkbox as please tick this box if you would like to receive regular email updates on the FIFA World Cup 2022 as well as upcoming tournaments, events and activities. Once the user selected all the three checkboxes, then enter the verification code. If in case of any details to be edited, please click on Edit Details button, or else click on Submit to continue. I confirm all the information filled is correct and as per my passport or QID. I also confirm that any discrepancies in the information provided may result in rejection of my application and/or a refusal of my entry to the State of Qatar and stadiums. I agree that the Hayya platform may amend my application data so that it matches the information on my official identify document. This is to fit the Hayya platform identity document format. Click on Confirm to submit your application. Once the user clicks on Confirm, you will see the screen with the message as Application submitted successfully. An application can track using application number. Scroll down and click on My Hayya to track your application. Once the user clicks on My Hayya, the tracking page will open, as you can see on my screen. I hope you learn how to apply for a Hayya card online. In the next video we will learn how to register your accommodation in the Hayya portal for hosting friends and family from outside Qatar. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.